Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to verify message signature in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, find and open Bither application on your device. Here, you will need to enter your PIN code if you have set one to access your wallet. After that, go to the Settings tab, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, click on Advanced Options. After that, you will see Message Signing option at the middle of these options here. Click on it and a pop-up will appear giving you two options. Here you can click on Verify Message Signature to verify your message. Now, type the signing address on the first field and type in the original message on here. After that, you need to type the signature here. After typing everything, you need to click on Verify button to verify message signature. So that is how you can sign message in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.